All right.
Hey, Vinny, there might be another present. Want this one? There you go. What you got, buddy? What you got, buddy? What you got, Vinny? Let me see. Oh, look what you got. Do you want another one? It's the last one. And he loves Christmas. What you got, Vinny? What you got? No, you can't open anymore. That's it. All right, yeah, hey.